Okay, hey guys, so my house is freaking flooding, so yeah. So I'm currently in my bathroom. That was our phone going off. My house is flooding. It is, it's pretty wet. So, there's that. My house is flooding! This is the full extent of our house. So, that's all water. For the record. So, oh yeah, this is my crappy bathroom. Everybody. So very. It's hair dye. My older sister. Thank you, Abby. Crappy bathroom with scissors from her cutting her hair. And yeah. But seriously though, my house is flooding. This is kind of really bad, so well obviously it's bad, but if anybody knows how to fix my leaking roof, it'd be much appreciated. Thank you.